While jumbos create havoc in Jengha, eats up huge quantity of rice. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Life. I'm Jillian Sapi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In the news of man-animal conflict that has surfaced from Jengha, a herd of wild elephants had entered a building meant for storing food grain and ate up huge quantity of it. Here is a report. News of wild elephants creating disturbances in and around the Phelangpi area of West Karbi Anglong is not new, one as several incidents have already been reported in the past. Despite that, neither the Forest Department nor the local public is able to find out a solution into it. In the early morning on Thursday, a group of 3 wild elephants entered the human habitation in Menmeji under Bithung MSC constituency. The wild elephants headed towards the Menmeji Lamps office and demolished the wall of the building where rice was stored. As per the officials, the elephants had eaten at least 5 bags of rice. They also informed that this was not the first time elephants had attacked the godown of these lamps.
ৰাতি 4টা বজাত হাতীটো 3টা হাতী আহিছিলে আহাও গেট পৰা আহিছে যোৱাও গেট পৰা গৈছে হাতী ফাৰ্ষ্টত হাতটো এফালে ডাইৰেক্ট এইটো মাৰা নাই ডাইৰেক্ট এফালে গৈ কিনে অফিচ ৰুমটোহে মাৰিছে আগৰ পৰাও এনেকৈ আজিলৈ 4বাৰ মান হৈ গ'ল ইয়াতে হাতী আহি পেলাই ভাঙি যোৱা কেইটা বস্তা খাইছে 4-5 বস্তামান খাইছে আৰু যিমানটো চাউল পৰা এইটো যিমানটো খাইছে এইটো গম পোৱা নাই এইটো কি এনএফএছএ চাউল নেকি হয় 3বাৰ হ'ল জয়তি প্ৰায় 4টামান বজাত সময় 3টা হাতে গেটৰ চাইডৰ পৰা আহিছে বুলি কৈছে নাইট ফিল্টাৰে তাৰপিছত যাওঁতে ফিল্টাৰ হেল্প গৈছিলে গেটৰ আহিখিনি প্ৰথমত অফিচৰ খিৰিকীটো ভাঙিছে ভাঙিখিনি তাৰপিছত তাতে খোৱা বস্তু নাপাইখিনি আকৌ গোদামৰ দৰ্জাটো ভাঙিছে সেইটো এনএফএছএ চাউল না কি বেলেগ সেইটো এনএফএছৰ চাউল ইয়াৰ মাজতে কেই বস্তা খালে ইয়াৰ মাজত মানে আগৰ 3বাৰ অহা নহয় এতিয়া বৰ্তমান এনে মই বস্তা খালী বস্তা দেখা বন্ধুটো 1-2টা তেনেকুৱা হ'ব
Mohan Teron report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of maintaining cleanliness in the area, the Dongmuka VDP committee, local NGOs and local police on Thursday organized a cleanliness program at Norak Playground. The cleanliness program was conducted at a playground where Union Minister Amit Shah addressed huge gathering and huge waste, which include water bottles, other packages, iron nails and other decoration items was left at the site. On the other hand, owners of the site where the huge program was held told media that they have not received their money for use of the land for the BJP meeting. The cleanliness program was jointly by Dongmuka VDP committee, local NGOs, local police and individuals of the area was organized with the additional aim of cleaning up of the venue to minimize the anxieties of the land owner and the people of the area. Bikram Teron's report from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Nangletum hiti kahelopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Do posita matha ikri. Humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Phangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak lomikji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi Humri non MS Phangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhela, Dipu.
Welcome back after the break. Owing to poor financial condition, an ailing young boy from Dwarbogori has sought help from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Monghang and other leaders. Here is a report from our Dolomara correspondent. At an age when he should be going to school and enjoying life like others, this young boy is lying on his bed. He is the son of Thomas Terang and Kavi Rohangpi, and his name is Simon Terang of Basa Phangcho village, some 8 kilometers away from Dolomara town. Due to the poor financial condition of the family, Simon used to help his parents in earning for their living. However, on one unfortunate day, when Simon along with his friends were engaged in plucking bitter leaves, he fell off from a tree. His friends told villagers that Simon fell upright on the ground as if nothing had happened, but on reaching home, his health gradually got worse. According to his parents, Simon had broken his rib bone, due to which the lower portion of his body had become paralyzed. He was even taken to NRL Township Hospital for treatment, where an X-ray was done on him. To the surprise of everyone, the results showed no evidence of any fracture. Due to lack of money for further treatment, Simon was taken to prayer center where the priest was doing his treatment. However, even after 5 years in the center, Simon had shown no improvement in his health. While talking to our correspondent, Simon told that he had not been sick. He would now be studying in higher secondary as the accident happened. It was in the year 2015 when he had just passed his class 7 exam and was working as helper in plucking bitter leaves so that he can arrange money for his admission. In the last 5 years, Simon's parents have exhausted all their savings in his treatment. Finding no more way out, they have urged upon the local MSA Richard Togby and also Karbenglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Longhang.
Kene pula so school che dami pula sanikan 2015 anikan bong peri che chok eten also pina pason ke dam pulo masih poisa ong cholang pula so bithi chuwi du namat se asa ghotona ke khoilo mai thingpi ang song pen mane aru bhang along an le lo tame alang li nang to gup lo mane arjak king na eklo masih ni tum ta thang ta chini te khale lo pen ni tum pinangan center cekon along kita me ni tum thang da suri le masiman mang ke hem ki bi ko
hospital se chelang lo mana
hospital ke chelang long lang mane poisa ka do ko de pen jok ni tum chelang hospital
2015 pen pulote pinenga ningkan pho kicholo di
ningkan pho chok ikang
acha la bangsong bang nale tum lahaya kerap dalon local leaders tum to la tum han kerap johang lo ma
pinangan atuma long mane la BRC tum long ai hui chuniri lo sitame pinangan arji ding lo sitame thanta ri pulong le depsi ako non ko kerap johang thari to
maphala nale kerap johang ke
mane dak local MDC ne Richards asang ho to be asang ho da ben CM agane gula kuliram lahai tam phanji kerap jahangi
kerap lalu tenal takul bangso suphan si kecilang phanan ham
si celang dia phanji aku cipon thiji pun salah
la sorong men kusam yang pe
basa pangcorong
di Pluso polling station
di Pluso.
Arjison Rongpa report from Dolomara for Karbenglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbenglong Live.